We try and make a superior product that's going to last for decades for the customer, as well as working to customize it to meet their specific needs.
So we look after everything from the processing equipment to right from looking after the soil to planting to the harvesting to the washing to packaging line assemblies for different customers in all varieties of vegetables.
We're currently working somewhat with some of the hazelnut growers. We've done garlic, we've done sweet potatoes.
We do designs for custom pieces that they need, one-off pieces if they're repairing a machine on their farm or if they need something new, as well as sourcing products for them even in our parts section.
We try to build our equipment as robust as possible. If there are repairs that need to be made down the road, a vast majority of them can be made with their local parts supply.
Our product is strong. Ours are generations sometimes, like they go into the third and fourth generation of harvesters.
I think that because we focus more on, the small to medium-sized farmer, there's more of an ability to build that relationship there with our customers.
So we help look after each other and work together to see that the customer gets what they're after.